The rates have gone up and the market is crashing. That's what you think, or that's what you're expecting, or that's what you're gonna start hearing the news, but is that really true? So the interests have gone up. They've been historically low for the last 2 years. People got an amazing opportunity to buy a home at affordable interest rate. And it makes a difference in your payment. It makes a huge difference in your payment when you have a lower interest rate. So for example, like our average price point in El Paso, Texas is about $200,000. So if you take a home that's $200,000 at a 3.75 interest rate, which is already a little higher than people were getting a year ago or so, you're looking for 30 years, 10% down, it's approximately $1,496 a month, $1,500 a month, right? So if you increase that by 1%, so 4.75, your increase, you're gonna look at over $1,600 a month in your monthly payment. So that makes a difference in your payment, and a lot of people say, oh, you know what, that's doable, $100. You know, it's not a lot of money nowadays, but what happens is that approval number for the house, when the lender looks at your ratios, that's gonna throw off the ratios, and you might not get approved for that house with the bigger payment. So that's something to consider with the interest rates. They're going up, but it's still very affordable. I keep saying this to people, you're gonna hear it on the news, especially the news likes to make things worse than they are. So stop watching it. But the news is gonna tell you, the articles on the internet, whatever you see on Instagram, social media, anywhere you go, you look at, you're gonna see people saying that, oh, interest rates are up, the market's gonna crash, but it's really not. Interest rates are still very, very affordable. For example, like something in the 80s, interest rates in the 80s were like in the 2 digits. You were like looking 11% or higher at times. So that is something that's a high interest rate to my opinion. If we get a 4%, 5%, it's not gonna be a crazy interest rate. It's still very affordable. You're still gonna be able to get a house. So don't be scared about that. Don't let the news get to you. If you're looking for a house, I tell people, I urge you, keep going. Don't get discouraged. You'll still be able to get a house. Homes are still affordable. As a matter of fact, my home city, El Paso, Texas, it came out on the news this week or last week saying that El Paso is one of the most affordable places to buy a house. So it's still a great time to buy, especially in town. And I think overall in the nation, homes are going up in price for a lot of reasons, and interest rates are going up, but don't get discouraged. Keep going. You will find that house. We'll find you the house. Now, something to be prepared for is there is still low inventory. There's not that many houses that are going up for sale, but there's a little bit more than before, but not too many. It's not like the floodgates open, now everybody's selling and the market's crashing. It's not. There's still low inventory. There's not enough homes that have been built or that are being currently built to cover the demand on the market. So like the builders have not been able to upkeep the demand because of a lot of reasons, labor shortages, material shortages, all that's kind of catching up with, so there's more new home inventory. So that makes it a little bit easier to get a house, just a little bit easier, but there's still a shortage, and new homes are more expensive than resales usually. So that makes resales still continue to be in high demand for most people. So again, people are still looking, even with the interest rates going up, they've gone up this year a few times. People are still looking. There's still a demand for homes. I mean, find out, do your research. There's still homes that are going in the market for multiple offers. I'm talking 20, 30 offers. That's still a common thing, even with rates going up. So people are still getting into houses. You just have to be aggressive, be strong with your offer. Do your research. What I always recommend, I always advise people is get a professional, get a realtor, get a good realtor that is working for you, is on your side, and it's not just somebody you clicked online and got a request to go look at a house. Do your research. You are able to interview agents, so do that. Ask for referrals, ask for references, and see who's going to be the best person for you. I would love to be a realtor if you don't have one, so contact me. And again, let's reiterate, don't get discouraged. That's what I've been seeing a lot with people looking to buy a house. Don't be discouraged. And if you're looking to sell, you've had thoughts of selling, this is the time to do so. This is also a good time. You're still getting top dollar for your home. I don't foresee prices skyrocketing or jumping up like before. So if you've been holding up for the peak of the market pricing, we might be close to that, if not there. So that's my prediction, my opinion. It's just based off of what I see on the market or what I see in and out day to day with clients. So it's time to make a move. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, comment, and let me know what other videos, what other topics you want to hear about real estate. And I hope to see you soon.